Happy Easter from everyone at 3. Let's check out some really cool cooking and recipe apps to help your Easter get off to the best possible start. Now I promise you that there are thousands of different cooking apps. Simply head into your App Store or your Play Store and search for cookery or cooking or something like that and just see how many there are. Be sure to read reviews and check out screenshots to really know what you're getting into to give you a good flavour of what you're after. One of my personal favourites is an app called Meali. Meali is great because it's completely free and it allows you to choose some delicious healthy recipes for the week. When you open the app, you can choose what you want to cook for that upcoming week. And once you've decided, it actually puts it all in a shopping list for you. This shopping list is great because it helps you eliminate things like excess food waste and even saves you some money too. Once you've chosen your meals, you can tap on any of them in the app and follow the instructions step by step. They're super simple. I've been doing this for months and I absolutely love it. They're really tasty and awesome. Now of course, it's Easter too, and it wouldn't be Easter weekend without some delicious treats. You can download another app, something like BBC Good Food, or even go on their website to have a look at what they've got. Here I've searched for Easter cakes, and there's some delicious options coming up. I love chocolate, so I'm going to choose this one here. Can't wait to cook it. So guys, there we go. Just a couple of tips in another way that your phone and your devices can help you lead a healthier life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for future videos from 3. We'll see you soon.